Find or read reviews that people are talking about Gyrivav Ozone Refrigerator Deodorizer, Rechargeable Deodorizer, Fridge Deodorizer, Air Purifier. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Exceptional Fridge Deodorizer. Powered by ozone generation, our device releases active oxygen that permeates every nook and cranny of your fridge, helping break down and reduce odors at their source. Unlike conventional solutions such as baking soda and activated carbon bags, which mainly mask smells, ours helps your refrigerator feel noticeably cleaner with reduced odors within a few hours. Extended food freshness. By wiping out odors at the source, our fridge smell eliminator creates an optimal environment to keep your food fresh longer. It stops unwanted smells from seeping into your food, so ingredients retain their original flavor and quality for an extended time. Enjoy less food waste and make the most of every grocery item you buy. Multi-scenario flexibility. Designed for various environments, our Fridge Deodorizer Odor Eliminator excels at freshening up refrigerators and works equally well in closets, wardrobes, cars, shoe cabinets, pet rooms, and any other small enclosed space. It can be hung, pasted, or placed freely, breaking through the limitations of installation scenarios. Say goodbye to lingering odors and experience a pleasant and inviting atmosphere wherever you use it. Eco and budget-friendly. Skip the endless spending on single-use deodorizers and frequent replacements. Our USB Rechargeable Refrigerator Air Purifier provides a lasting solution that cuts down on costs and minimizes waste. It's a wise pick that's gentle on your wallet and kind to the environment. Simple to use. Our Fridge Odor Eliminator is designed for simple use with one-button operation. It offers two modes: Basic Purification Mode, indicated by a green light, that runs continuously for 7 days, and Deep Purification Mode, shown by a red light, with a 3-day continuous working time. With a 3-hour charging time and long-lasting battery life, it ensures hassle-free use whenever you need it. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.